Hello, this is the screencast for CSC 791 Devops Homework for Advanced Docker. Today I'm going to walk you through, in this screencast I'm going to walk you through part 1, which is about file IO in a legacy container through a relay or ambassador container. So for that we'll spin up two containers, one which will have its 9001 port exposed, so that we can use this command like Socat to form a data stream and read the contents of the file over the network. So let's dive into it. So here in this directory I have my Docker file, so I'll go ahead and build a Docker image from this file. I'm running all this on a DigitalOcean droplet. I'll tag this as home for part 1. So as we can see, the Docker has implemented its steps, the Docker file, and we can see that I have put this message in my file.txt in the legacy container. It will go in the legacy container once I run it. So let's go ahead and see if the image has been created. Yeah, as we can see, the home for part 1 has been created. Home for part 1. I'll go ahead and run the container now from this image. And name it as P1 app container. And home for part 1, the image name is it's running successfully, hopefully. So let's go ahead and check that. Image home for part 1, p1 app underscore app container. So yes, this image has spun up a container. Now let's go ahead and run an ambassador container. Its name is as ambassador container 1, and we will link this container with the P1 app we created. And expose the port 7001 with 9001, so that we can access through our host on the port 7001. Okay, let's go ahead and check if that's running. Yes, ambassador container is running now. Now, as a proof of concept, let's go ahead and try to curl on a local host if I get the contents of the file on port 7001. Yes, there you see it. These are the contents of my file. And now let's say if I want to access it over the network, so I'll go in my laptop's browser. This is my DigitalOcean's public IP. these are the contents of my file which I can access over the network. So in this way I have demonstrated the Socat file IO functionality for Docker contents. Thank you.